What's up, everyone? I got my new Grom on the lift, 2022 SP edition. Not too many parts are out for it right now, so I'm going to start with the basics, do flush mount turn signals, kind of just clean it up. I already did a fender eliminator kit, so yeah, I'm going to dive right into it and do little by little. So I got my new 2022 Grom on the lift here. Just a quick run by. It's the SP edition here. So the SP comes with the white with the graphics, gold wheels, gold forks, gold brake calipers. From the back it has the yellow coil on the shock, and pretty much it. There's a little run by of it. I got about 200 miles on it so far, so can't wait to clock some more miles on. Trying to see what parts fit over from my other Grom here. It appears that the swing arms are the same, so I'm going to try and fit the handbrake setup on the new one, and I know the sub cage doesn't fit, the exhaust have to modify a little bit, but yeah, handlebars, I'm going to use the mounts and the bars on the new one, but yeah, so hopefully we'll get this thing set up in the next couple weeks, and we'll get going. Right behind the actual turn signals, zoom in here, you're going to have just a Phillips screwdriver head on each side. So we're going to go and start with that. Alright, next you're going to get another 5mm, and you're going to loosen the bolts that hold the headlight up. Alright, go around to the other side and repeat the process. So after removing the bolts on the headlight, you kind of just let it tilt down, set it to the side. So I don't really want to take off any extra parts because I'm probably a little bit lazy. So focuses, there's a 10mm bolt right in here. There we go. Right on the inside of the turn signal. So it's kind of a tight fit. So luckily I have a wobble socket, I believe is what they're called, with a 10mm on top, so you can kind of twist it around and it fits right in there. So we're gonna go in there and take it off. Alright, so after you get in there and remove the net that was on the inside right there, you can go ahead and pull the turn signal out all the way till the metal, that bolt comes out, which you unscrewed from on the inside. And then after that, I guess you could do it before, you can go in here and unplug the turn signal so you can pull. So there's a little plate you can reach in there, and you kind of got to twist it to get it out. But once you get it out, you can kind of run it down to the end, pull it off, and then from there pull the other turn signal off. Alright, next you get down to the little rubber parts that hold this. I found that it's just easier if you kind of just twist and pull, and they come out fairly easy. Let's do the same with this, twist and pull, and you're good to go. Alright, so I picked these turn signals up, just some flush mounts off of Amazon or eBay, either one. They look like this out of the package, nothing too crazy, but nice and slim. It comes with some 3M tape that you can push out the center and just stick around, because as you can see, there's only going to be surface area on the outside right there to stick the adhesive to for the turn signals. So we're just going to peel off the 3M tape off of the back side. Fish the wire through. Press it and let the adhesive set in. Bam. Iron. Plug it in. Make sure it works. Alright. So after you plug in the turn signals, you can kind of put the headlight back on. So, just finished up, put it back. You can definitely tell it's a lot more low profile than it was originally with the big old blinkers. But, you know, for me personally, don't use them too much. They're not going to give you a whole lot of light out of the side, but, you know, they're pretty bright. I don't have a relay for it right now, so they're staying on. I'm gonna get a relay, that way they go back to flashing, because I took off the fender illuminator, which has the stock turn signals, and once you remove that, it kind of throws it off. So I'm gonna get a relay to make them flash, and then after that, we'll be all good. Alright, here's the finished product. Quick walk around. You can see the flush mount signals kind of clean up the look in the front. Makes it look pretty nice here. Yeah, so far so good. If you want to see more, let me know.